Greetings traders, Jason here with swinghigh.com. It is Friday, December 4th, 2009, and this is your post-market analysis. If you recall, during my halftime report, prices were sort of slipping while I was doing the report. I'll bring you back. This is the SPY 15-minute chart, which is the S&P 500 tracking ETF. It was right here where I said if we bounce off this support line, that would be a possible entry with the target up here around 112.18. We missed that entry by 2 cents and then consequently just sold off after we broke that support, and sold off pretty hard. In fact, we even came down here and tested 110 a couple times, sort of making a double bottom, if you will. We had 2 tests of the support and then a bounce off of that. And that would have been confirmed once we broke the swing high in the middle of the double bottom. So we did make higher highs for the year today, and sorry about that. And then we sold off again. So that's 3 days in a row with the same sort of action, where we made higher highs and sold off, higher highs, sold off. And yesterday we sold off pretty hard, and then this morning we had really good jobless numbers come out, and then made new highs again and sold off. So the day finished positive, however. SPY finished up 0.57%. The diamonds with pretty much the same sort of action, except Thursday we didn't make a higher high for the year. The diamonds showed relative weakness to SPY today, down, up only 0.29%. The nasdaq was about the same, up 0.5%. And let me check on something right here. The nasdaq did put in a new high for 2009 today, so it's nice to see the nasdaq come back and show strength while the other indexes are showing strength as well. However, the financials, at least on a daily chart, financials and the Russells are still relatively weak. Let's go back to the intraday real quick, and then I'll get back to the larger time frame. The Russells finished up 2.5% today, so big time relative strength there. And the financials up 1.88%. Real quick, we'll take a look at the market internals, the tick. I spent most of the morning bullish, and then around the time of my halftime report, broke down into bearish territory, and then sort of drifted around neutral for the rest of the day. The Trin definitely hovered around neutral all day after some big spikes in the morning. The VIX, interesting action in the VIX. We had a run up and then almost a double top formation, not quite. We did make a swing high followed by a higher swing high and then a sell-off. This could be considered a sloppy double top formation, but the VIX finished down 5.4%, so it's a big drop in the VIX, which is surprising after we had such a run up in the VIX earlier. Yeah, and it's surprising that the VIX was even this high early in the day when we were showing so much strength, but I guess around 11:15 when the sell-off started, people started panicking, and that's what you're seeing here in the VIX. Gold was down 4.2%. That's a huge move down in gold, which is surprising to see gold move down so big while equities rose. The dollar, wow. The dollar up 1.56%. That's a huge move for a currency. Yeah, up 1.5% for the day. So let's look at the broader time frame real quick. Here we are still chopping around in this high base formation. We basically covered the entire range of the high base formation today on SPY, and I'll talk more about the longer term time frame in your weekend review, coming out probably tomorrow or Sunday. Thanks for being a part of swinghigh.com. I'll talk to you later.